What's up guys, it is Asta here, and today I will be baking a cake with my brother. Oh! So we will be making a microwaveable cake. So the ingredients are 1 egg, some vanilla, some strawberry Nesquik, margarine, sugar, vegetable oil, some white flour, whisk, that thing. I think that's it. So yeah, and a big bowl. Okay, so I don't know how to make this. So first, no. First, get our butter. Yeah, it's not butter. Get our margarine. Yeah, and take a scoop of it. Is that good? Take it out. No. Pop it in. Now, you need about this, and that's enough. I'm sure you need about this much butter. Yep. Put it in. Now just mix it around. What the fuck are you doing? No. You don't wash your hands. Yes, you do. Well, wash your hands. Remember to wash your hands. Yeah, everyone remember. You just need to. Is it just to? Wait, why do you need to do this with butter? No, Adam, you have to spread it. Move. I'm dumb. So he doesn't know how to do this. So that's professional. I'm only gonna drink of it. Guys, I know my hair is terrible. I didn't do it. And I was in my room just watching some YouTube, and well, I don't know this. He came in and he says, "What is your vid?" I said, "What kind of vid?" It's like, making a cake. You know how you made those cakes? Well, I'm like, which cake in the Nesquik? Okay. So I'm like, sure. And he said, let's grab everything. And then I forced him to do it. He forced me. Okay, now what do we do? Well, I just put butter on my head. Oh, gross. Okay. Holy shoot. Now we get the flour. And I wanted to we get four tablespoons of white plain flour. Put it in! Okay, you got freaking. Let's get down to it. Also, we need milk. No, you need milk. Definitely. Yeah. I kiss my brother because he's my only brother. And that means no mountain top. What? Should we whisk it? Not yet. I mean, should we like? What are you doing here, Amber? Amber, I don't need you for my thumbnail yet. I am going to. I'm not Roman outward. That's 3. Go! Boom! Sorry guys, but my sister's being very annoying. And a little pinch of flour. No, Adam, pinch. Okay, no. We need to mix it. I've done enough. Did I? Did you get much? Okay, now we get our Nesquik. I'm gonna do the Nesquik. I will. How much Nesquik? How much Nesquik? 4 tablespoons, and I'm doing this. So, can I tell you a little story? Once, my grandma. I was 7 years old. Shut up. I'm gonna get copyrighted. So once, basically, it was a normal day. So my friends were over. Yeah, I do have friends. And then, piece of shit. And then basically, I thought it was just a PG channel. My grandma was getting eggs, and then they completely fell on the ground, and all of them smashed. No, that was me, Adam. I mean, that was him. That was me. So my nana keep going, and I completely put like. I'm about to move. I don't need you for the thumbnail. Hulk smash. Right. Okay, is that it? Yeah. And then we get our egg. I want to do the egg. Fine, egg. You can get the egg. So high, and we crack it on Adam. No, JK. Just put it on there. Hurry up, little fag. Yeah. Now what do we do? Good. You get now? No. Okay. Now what do we do? We kick? You idiot. This is a PG channel. Okay. Now get our olive. I'm doing this.
No, I am.
How much do we need to put on?
4. 4 of everything.
Yeah, 4 of everything. Like 4 testicles.
Go down.
This is the little girl that's going to taste it to tell you if it's good.
Okay. Now we're doing whiskey. 4 tablespoons.
I'm doing this.
Yeah. And guys, we have to heat it up for 3 minutes.
No, we're not yet. We're not going to tell you yet.
I'm just supposed to do over it. Now you have to do 5.
Put it closer, you moron. 5. Done.
You're an idiot.
Now do we mix it?
No, give it to me.
No,
Now sugar. Now sugar.
How much sugar?
I'll do it.
I'm trained in the art of ninjutsu.
Okay, now give it. Also, we need more flour.
Never gonna let you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna ride around.
Copyright. We're gonna do 10.
You just got like low, bitch.
I thought this is a PG channel. Guys, it's not a PG channel.
You realize that the time every time you swear I have to bleep it? Oh shit! Oh sorry. Bloppy blop blop blop. Oh, so basically, did you remove the clown thing that used to happen? Oh, by the way, I'm sorry for not uploading it on time. I've just been really lazy.
No, it's
So
just
now do I whisk it?
No, what? We're not. There's 2 people have to whisk it. Me? No, it's Adam and me. I'm sorry. But I'm so hungry. Oh wait, we need more flour.
No, I don't care. Look, it's gold colored food. It's
Okay.
no, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm the king of whisking.
And we're doing it wrong. Move.
Oh, I get it. Move, stop
I
it.
need more milk.
I already put so much in though.
Doesn't matter.
Why?
It's pink. Guys, this is what it looks like.
This looks like female sperm. It looks like if women had sperm. Okay, I think that's done.
Oh, you did it. Good pause. You're doing it completely wrong.
And then we're gonna vote now, sugar.
You're an idiot. Now we're gonna get fat and get obesity. He has obesity.
It's not funny. Is that it? Are you done?
No, J.K. Rowling. You missed a step. What? No, J.K. Rowling.
When do we need to put it in the thing?
I am. Oh, shit! Okay,
Get out of the camera, little.
no fuck you.
Now go down, honey. Go down, hey. It's so annoying. What are we doing now? Someone is gonna get diabetes from this. By the way, disclaimer. This is not supposed to be inappropriate.
And this is not sponsored. Actually, we're sponsored by Nesquik.
What?
Nesquik sponsor.
Oh, thing like sugar. Are we done?
Sponsor has a.
Actually, I'm not kidding.
Let's get down to business.
What business?
I think anyone, I'm the most ignorant person to get copyrighted.
I know exactly what to put it on. How cute.
No, we're doing this.
We're gonna put in this.
No.
Yes. I'm putting it in this. I'm putting in pen, pineapple, apple.
Not even.
I have a pen. I have
pussy.
oh, apple pen. Put it in.
Wait, do the Pikachu one.
Aga Pika.
I have Pikachu.
Okay, is that done?
Okay, 3 minutes.
Okay, so now
Guys, it looks like diarrhea.
now it should look like this piece of shit.
What the fuck? I have okay. And you know we have to clean all of this up.
Oh shit.
Okay, so now down. Wait, let me see it. Let me see it. Oops. It's still stirring.
Oh, you fucking asshole.
Hurry up, get that down there. It looks like pink shit. Let's get down to business.
Okay, just move. Actually, I don't know how to do it.
Stop it!
You're not my dad.
You're not my dad.
No, with the now with the click of our fingers, all of this mess will be gone. It's all cleaned up. I don't know how that happens. So yeah, the 5, finish. 4, 3, 2, 1. And you, don't touch it. I'll do it. Look, you.
Let's get down to sexy.
Oh. Bro, guys, yeah.
Guys, look at this. Girls and boys.
This, not kidding, actually works.
Actually sick.
You want to see this? It just looks like chocolate ice cream.
He doesn't give a fuck.
That is actually looks like watermelon just on drugs. Get the icing sugar. Icing sugar.
Let's get down to business.
Help me. This guy.
Guys, wait, we're not done.
Here we go.
Get the ice cream.
What?
Get the ice
No,
Get the ice cream. Ice cream left. Down to
I don't have any ice cream left.
it's not done. Come on. Get in here.
I want to do this. I want to do this.
Look at the ice cream. We gotta do.
Pass. I want to do it. Holding it. It's fun. You hold the camera.
No.
Yes, you hold the camera. You gotta hold the camera. So you face it to me. Sorry guys, this is what you gotta do.
I did taste stuff, so
Oh shit, I know. I think that's the way you put it.
Let's get it.
I don't know how to do this.
I can't hold the camera. That's way too much at him.
Ah, YOLO. You're actually gonna get obesity.
And you're getting it everywhere. And you're actually too much.
Yeah,
Way too much. Too much.
we're actually gonna get obesity.
Then it's gonna kill us.
So basically, I might have put a little too much.
A little. It looks like now we have snow.
Now I'm gonna cut the cake up and then give it to my grandma and shit.
No, she can't have it. We put loads of sugar in it. How about that? She would die.
So now it's the cutting of the cake. Here comes the bride, big fat and more. Oh my god, look at my face. Here comes the bride. By the way, I cleaned this up. Ashley didn't do shit. And guys, I'm really sorry for not posting in a long time. My last video was so bad that I needed to help myself and be like, bro, you gotta clean up.
Done.
Sorry, my friend just texted me. Fuck you. Okay, so now I want to show it to my parents and yeah.
Do not show it to them.
Now my brother and sister will be tasting it to see if they like it.